Worst first half of his career, by far.
Now, when you're struggling with the nerves, it's awfully hard to get the hand dry. It's hard to get your legs underneath you. He's taking that time to try to get everything right. And he did so.
The patented PA post up right there is beautiful. 5 in a row for Patrick Allen. It's amazing how you can turn that switch on and off, isn't it, Norm? You feel like you can't beat anybody, all of a sudden you get the right look. It's instant confidence. All you got to do is believe.
He keeps his emotions in check. And the all-time title leader got flustered there.
Come on, man. We have the possibility of a tie. If Patrick Allen goes 9 spare strike, we have a tie. Patrick Allen needs to strike on this first ball and get 5, and he will win. Oh, there it goes! Can you believe it? The 7! He's doing a big earn. Down goes Allen. Down goes the 7, and he's going to get a title. Sorry, Dave. Patrick Allen riding the gravy train with Biscuit wheels. Look at this great break he gets on the 7-pin.
Oh, the fans react to the replay of the flop. Wow, we've got to come up with a nickname for that one. Walter Ray doesn't want to hear about it.
That's enough. Patrick Allen wins his 8th title.
And the ball change on the right lane earlier in the game, you know, that's the difference right there, I think.
How does that happen?
No shows. No
Think
titles.
of anything more than that.
In the first half of the year, he makes the ball change to a new company,
my life.
his old company. And in his
Sorry.
first tournament, he goes all the way through match play undefeated.
No, brother. All right, Finn, Yeti Gallagher, thank you for the second chance. Reno, what do you say? Home field ball, Kendall Lane, Tony Beanie, do the best.
He says it's Reno, his town.
Unbelievable.
It is now. No question. What a story. Rags to riches for the former player of the year. And he takes down the king in Reno today. What a story, what a moment for Patrick Allen. Wins his 8th career title in dramatic fashion over the legend, the all-time Denny's PBA Tour title holder, Walter Ray Williams Jr. Patrick, the first half of the year, no TV shows, no lefties win in the first half of our season. You make the ball change, and you've got yourself a victory. How would you describe the feeling?
Dave, I don't even know if I have any words to describe it right now. Obviously, there were some issues with me the first half, and, I made a bold change. Some people disagree with it, some people agreed, but I just felt like I had to do what I needed to do and try and get back here again, and I didn't think it would happen this fast, though.
You blow all the way through match play. You didn't lose en route to a championship. How did that happen?
Some good ball reaction, some opponents not having great ball reaction and maybe throwing some bad shots at certain situations. And I have the best balls in my hand again, best balls in the world, and 14-0. That speaks for itself.
How do you describe the feeling of taking down Walter Ray Williams Jr. in the finals?
Well, I've bowled a lot of TV shows. Well, at least for my standards, not for Walter's, but it was my 19th show, and I had never actually gone up in the 10th needing a strike to win, and needing it against Walter Ray. That's something that you probably dream about. Walter Ray, Pete Weber going up there in the 10th frame and needing a strike, and to actually make a pretty decent shot and get an unbelievable break is something I'll never forget as long as I live.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Patrick Allen wins his 8th title here today in Reno, Nevada in dramatic fashion.